Understanding and fixing MongoNetworkError. AggregateError has an empty errors array in Node.js MongoDB health checks. Problem overview. If you have a health check endpoint that pings a MongoDB cluster and you see errors like MongoNetworkError, AggregateError has an empty errors array. PoolClearedError, MongoPoolClearedError, connection pool, was cleared because another operation failed. It can be confusing because these often appear even when no aggregation queries are executed, and you expect more standard network timeout errors. What causes these errors? These errors typically arise from issues in the underlying MongoDB connection pool, especially when connections are dropped or reset unexpectedly. Aggregate error with empty errors array is unusual and typically means the MongoDB driver's internal error handling is triggered without detailed info. Connection pool clear errors indicate that MongoDB connections were terminated because of failures elsewhere in the system. Common root cause, resource constraints. In practice, these errors often stem from the hosting environment. CPU or memory exhaustion causes application pods or servers to restart. Abrupt restarts or heavy GC pauses drop MongoDB connections abruptly. Dropped connections result in the driver throwing these aggregate or pool cleared errors. How to diagnose? Monitor your Node.js application's CPU and memory usage. Check pod/container logs for restarts or own killings. Use MongoDB server logs and monitoring tools to correlate connection drops. Best practices to fix and prevent. Optimize application code to avoid heavy dependency calls or memory leaks. Increase resource limits for your nodes or containers. Implement retry logic for MongoDB operations to recover transient connection issues. Use connection pooling responsibly. Your settings of min pool size, 10 and max pool size, 50 are reasonable but can be tuned based on load. Graceful shutdown. Ensure your app properly closes MongoDB connections on restart to avoid abrupt drops. Example health check code. Your ping method looks correct. Make sure to await the command fully to handle any promise rejections. Summary. The aggregate error and pool cleared error messages during MongoDB health checks are typically symptoms of resource exhaustion in your Node.js environment causing abrupt connection drops. Addressing memory/CPU limits and ensuring stable MongoDB connections will help resolve these errors.